Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the precise phone number and a secure connection. Accuracy matters because Google matches digits exactly. Once ready, open a private browser tab to avoid cached data. Next, navigate to Google's Account Recovery or Sign-in Help and choose the option that asks if you know the phone number linked to an account. You will enter the full number with country code. Make sure it's correct. This immediate action starts the matching process and reveals whether a verification route is available. Once you've started recovery, use Google's prompts deliberately. Pick Forgot Email or Find My Account and enter the phone number. Google may offer to send a verification code via SMS or call. Accept that and watch for the message. If a partial email hint appears, note it. Those letters help narrow accounts. Make sure your device can receive texts and that you type the code immediately because the window is short. If you don't get a code, retry the step after checking signal and number formatting. When you get a code and confirm an account, use that confirmation to sign in or to request an email hint. Record the recovered email for follow-up. If Google reports no account linked, double-check the exact number, test alternate country code formats, and try again from another device or network. If problems persist, use Google Account Help to request further assistance. Finally, once you regain access, immediately update recovery options and enable two-step verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.